first put our settings here and then we start drawing. So type S6 pcast. Okay, that's type. Okay, the base level 1, top level 2, correct. Base and top offsets 0, base offset 0, top offset 0. Actual run width 2.2, actual run width 2.2. Location line exterior support left, exterior support left. Tread depth 0.25, tread depth 0.25. The first run will have 8 risers. The second run is to complete the stairs. What is the distance between the stairs and the opposing wall? So we will begin 8 risers and complete the rest in the second run. So now we are ready to draw the wall. Desired number, there's something. The desired number of risers 25. Desired number, and here it's 24. We should adjust this. Okay. And now we start drawing. And okay, here as you see, the intersection it automatically snaps. So we'll go. We want to draw 8 risers, and as you can see, it's highlighted, but it's very light. 8 risers created, 17 remaining. That's how you know how many risers you can draw. Okay, so here is the first run completed, and the second run, the same thing. We go to the intersection. We don't click anywhere. We just one click here and to the 8 risers, and then the other click. As you see, it automatically creates the landing, the part connecting the two runs. So here we go like this, and you can click in any part. It will not. It's not a problem. Here it will go until the last stair, and here now we created the stairs. We click finish, and the task is that we want to get this dimension, but we want to make sure what is the distance between the stairs and the opposing walls. And here, because sometimes it may be it may get tricky, and you'll be asked to to get the dimension between the stair and the core of the wall, not the edge. So you check it 2 times. You check the text and you check it visually, and you see where does this line ends. So here it's from the edge here till the inner edge of this wall. So we go here. So it says 7.63. 7.63. That's so here. Question number 9. It says open Rails 1B Revit, activate level 1 floor plan view, create a rail using this dotted arc, and sketch the path using the following options. And what is the length of the railing? Here is this dotted line. So we will close this and we will open rail 1B and activate level 1 floor plan view. Get here and sketch a railing, and we will use the pick lines tool. But before we pick this line, we should complete the rest of the settings. So here it says offset from path negative 0.6 and the type glass panel. So here the glass, okay, and the offset from path it's minus 0.6, it's correct. So we will click on this line and we click finish. So what we should get is what is the length of the railing. The length of the railing, we'll click on it, and the length is 10.6459. 10.6459. Next question. It's open a floor Revit, activate level 1 floor plan view, create a floor plan using the interior parameter of the exterior walls and with this settings, and we should get the parameter of the floor at the end. So we'll close this and we'll open a underscore floor and activate level 1 floor plan view, and we'll get to floor, which settings we should use as one metric base. Okay, that's correct. Offset 0, height offset from level 0, extend to all core unchecked, and we should use the interior perimeter of the exterior walls as shown. So here, as you see, that is the shape of the floor that we should do. So we will use this pick holes and we will just click on it, and we now get the correct shape of the floor, and we press finish. What is the parameter of the floor? The parameter of the floor is 56.1928. 56.1928. Next question. Open split 1A Revit. We'll cancel this. Open split 1A Revit. And we will activate level 2 floor plan view. And here we cannot see anything, so we will just double click on the scroll so that it zooms all the elements, and here it says what is the length of the highlighted part of the wall. I should split the wall first from this reference line and then get how the length of this. So I can just try to make it a smarter way, that I'd say, okay, I will not split, I will just measure this length directly. Yeah, you can do this, but it's risky, but because it's not applicable in all questions. Here I get the answer as 5.5 0.41, and there is something here missing. We see here that the length is in 4 decimal places, but here it's in 2 decimal places. So what I will have to do is to go to project units and change this to custom, and here we will select 0, 0, 0. Okay, okay. Here it's 5.4054. 5.4054. So we here just skipped a step in which we should split this wall, but let's do it anyway. We will close this and we will hit SL, the shortcut for split, and here we get in this point, and with the tab we just scroll it, we just tab one more time, we get here and we press tab until this line appears and we click. So now we have those 2 parts, and the length is here also 5.4054. 4.4054. So next question. That's the topography surface question, and it's also in most of the exams I solved. And close this, and we will open BLK 01, BLK 01, and we open the site and we import on underscore topo. We will get here, where is it, insert, and we will import CAD, and here you should take care, it's given to me with which settings should I import this CAD. So here it says current view only off. It's here, current view only unchecked. Colors preserve, positioning auto origin to origin, and units auto detect. And yeah, I just use Alt Tab to cycle between the 2 views. I select the input instances to generate a topo surface points, and we should use this layer when creating the topo surface. So we'll just click now open. Here is our imported CAD. We will go now to massing and site, and what we will do is we'll go to topo surface and create from import, select import instances, and we select our CAD file, and here we want to create the topo surface using this layer only. So we will check none and we will select this layer only. Now we have our points created. We will click finish surface. And what is the project